Hey there Architecty, my name is Noel and welcome to my channel. Subscribe if you haven't done so already so you can follow along many more fun transformations. Let's get to it.
So this powder room needs a little TLC. It is a public women's bathroom that services a restaurant and bar area. Since it's quite small, we need to groom it a little without necessarily breaking the bank. Let's get started. If you have a small powder room, the main thing that you need to do is find an accent wall. So I found this accent wall and I'm going to find a suitable angle and start determining the dimensions of the stripes that I want. I chose 2 inches apart, so we're just gonna pencil it in. Alright, let's add some tape. A few dabs of paint and you're almost done. I actually am putting paint on top of the tape because I don't want the black paint to drip, so this is a little trick if you want to have crisp lines.
What do you guys think? I had so much fun doing this. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of this space? And subscribe to my channel. Also give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow friends and family who may eventually become part of the Architecty family. I'll see you next time. Bye!